Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking roses. Such a favorite flower, but you want them open, full, luxurious. The easiest way I've found is to remove the guard petals. Just go ahead and pull those off, loosening it up. Then turn it upside down and spin. The longer you spin, the more it'll open. And then you get a full, luxurious rose. Now there's a few key points. Some varieties do better than others, so you'll want to test. Also, a room temperature rose that is at least 2 days old is best for opening. So now, it's your turn. Time to experiment, because you know how the pros do it.